Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. The class list property in JavaScript provides a convenient way to access and manipulate the classes of an HTML element. It is a part of the DOM, document object model, and offers methods to add, remove, toggle, and check for classes without the need to manipulate the class name string directly. Overview of class list. The class list property returns a live DOM token list collection of the class names for the specified element. This collection is live, meaning that it automatically updates when classes are added or removed. Key methods of class list. 1. Add, class name, adds the specified class to the element. 2. Remove, class name, removes the specified class from the element. 3. Toggle, class name, toggles the specified class, adds it if it doesn't exist, or removes it if it does. 4. Contains, class name, checks if the specified class exists on the element and returns true or false. 5. Item, index, returns the class name by its index in the list. Example. Let's create a simple HTML page with a button that toggles a class on a div element. This class will change the background color of the div. HTML. JavaScript, script.js. Explanation of the code. 1. HTML structure, we have a div with the class box and a button to toggle the class. 2. CSS styles, the .box class gives the div a size and basic styling. The .active class changes the background color to light blue. 3. JavaScript functionality. We select the box and button using document.getElementById. We add an event listener to the button that listens for click events. Inside the event handler, we use classlist.toggle, active, to add or remove the active class when the button is clicked. We also log to the console whether the class was added or removed. Benefits of using class list. Simplicity, it simplifies the code needed to manipulate classes. Readability, makes the code more readable and understandable. Performance, provides a more efficient way to manage classes compared to string manipulation. Conclusion. The class list property is a powerful feature of the DOM that makes it easy to work with CSS classes on HTML elements. By using its methods, you can easily add, remove, or toggle classes while keeping your code clean and efficient. This is especially useful for dynamic web applications that require frequent class manipulation for styling and behavior changes.